Okay, Resonators, so here is a speed tutorial on how I make these gorgeous pearl resin bowls. So you guys love the ivory ones that I made, and I thought those ones came out so beautiful, so I had to get some more pearls on Amazon. So all of these pearls are size 8mm, and I got the pink and the little lilac periwinkle pink mix. Sorry, my brain is gone. But anyways, so just like the video before, you have to fill the whole mold with the pearls of your choice. And I made sure to make one of each just so you can see how cute they all are. So I need you to watch to the end of the video because I need you to help me pick which one is the cutest. I really can't decide. I don't know. I'm kind of partial to the white only because that's just the traditional pearl look. But let me know in the comments. So here is the lilac pink mix one, and I love this one. It reminds me of like a unicorn. I just think it's so beautiful. For these, I decided to add just a little bit of my gold iridescent glitter to it, and I think that added just the sparkle that it needed. So same as before, you want to very slowly pour the resin into the molds, and the reason why you have to do it slow is because if you pour it too quick, then it'll start spilling over the sides, and you don't want that. Another bit of info that's vital for making these bowls is to make sure that you're working with thin resin. So really what that means is you want to work with the resin as soon as you're done mixing. It really helps if you have the bowls filled with the pearls before you start mixing the resin. Don't let it sit for any time because the longer that you let the resin sit, the thicker it'll get. And if it gets too thick, I swear to you, it will not go around all the pearls like it needs to. And then also make sure that you're working with a resin that's pretty thin to begin with. So like I always tell you guys, I love Dr. Crafty for these bowls. It is super crystal clear and it's a nice thin consistency, so it does the job, trust me. Also, it's on the cheaper side, so it's one of the best resins to work with if you're not making something that's too thin, because sometimes it can cure a little bit flexible. So anyway, here's the demolding of these gorgeous bowls. Of course, the ivory one, I love it. It looks super cute with this gold iridescent glitter. Now I am in love with the look of this pink lilac mix pearl look. It is so pretty. This one just gives me such a magical feel and I just am in love. So here's the demolding to this pink pearl bowl, and guys, oh my gosh, this one came out so cute. And they got the pink really good on these pearls. Like I thought that this was the perfect pink. So guys, let me know which one you like the best in the comments and don't forget to follow.